आज आपल्या वसई किचन चॅनलवर माझा पुतण्या जस्टिन अमेरिकेहून काश्मीरी गुलाबी चहाची रेसिपी दाखवणार आहे. तर चला आपण पाहूया.
Hello, I'm Justin, Shobhanabhai's nephew, and today I'm excited to be on the Vasai kitchen, and I'm excited to share my Kashmiri pink chai recipe. So first, you'll take a pot, however size you're making, and I'm making a little bit of extra here, so we have it for a few days since Kashmiri chai takes about an hour to make. So first in here, I put about 6 cups of water. So you can just add that to a pot. Then you can add about 1 spoon of ilachi, and I put a couple cinnamon sticks here. So you can add that and then start to boil that. So next, the spices are boiling. So now I'm going to add tea and baking soda. So here I have about 1/3 of a spoon of baking soda. And here I have about 3 spoons of green tea. So now I'm just going to add that to the mix. Next, you're going to lower the heat to low and cook this until it boils about in half. Now the tea should be boiled down and it should be this very, very dark color. So now what we're going to do to help with the color is add ice. And then about a cup of water, and then cook until all of this is dissolved. Oh, and then also we can add our sugar now. Add about a half a cup of sugar into the tea, and then you can mix that and cook that down. So now we've been cooking it low and the ice is dissolved. So now I'm going to turn up the heat and cook it on high for about 5 minutes. So now that the tea's been boiling, now here I have in this bowl 2 cups, 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of cream. So now I'm going to add that to the boiling tea. And now we'll start to mix that. And if it has a darker color like this, then it's good to add a little bit of extra cream, which I'll do in a second. So now it's kind of a sort of off pink color. So now I'm going to add about an additional cup of milk. And now I'm going to continue cooking this. Now I've been making this tea for about 5 minutes after I added the milk in half and half. And now it's about done. So it should look something like this. A little foamy and bubbly at the top, but underneath sort of pink and milky looking. So now it's pretty much ready to enjoy, or at least put in the cup. So there you can see what it kind of looks like. And then to finish it off, you can add roses, pistachios, or really anything you like, and just enjoy. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you'll enjoy the chai just as much.
Thank you so much, Justin, on behalf of all our Vasai kitchen viewers.